Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Ryan. If you know the vibes, you know the dream. So I'm vlogging a day in my life as a primary school teacher. So I'm very dressed up. So I'm wearing a hoodie and I'm very dressed up. I want to put on my hair. So I'm fully dressed up. Like I know the reason why I'm vlogging this. like um okay, let's just I don't want to shout because it's still early in the morning. I think it's this still around, I think around 7 after 7 sharp, like 7 o'clock. So this teaching work is not like it's not my dream. I'm like, no, I can never do a teacher. I can never become a teacher. But I found myself being a teacher. So it's funny to me. It's funny to me. Like I'm a teacher. It's so funny. I don't even know how I found myself being a teacher. I just know that I became a teacher. So I'm teaching. I'm a nursery school teacher, and so I'm getting ready. So I'm going to vlog everything that happened in class. Everything from the beginning to the end, the assembly, everything. I'm going to vlog everything. Oh my darling Jesus, you are the wonderful God. I love you so much, darling Jesus. Oh my darling Jesus, you are the wonderful God. My life, you are the pillar that holds my life. You are the master, Jesus. You are the pillar that holds my life. Master Jesus, you are the pillar that holds my life. You are the pillar. You are the pillar that holds my life. Yeah, you are the master Jesus. Yeah, you are the master Jesus. Down. The national anthem. 1, 2, go. Hey.
are not part of that. Azim, are you alright? The pledge. Go and sing. I said when you are marching, march straight. March straight. It's your brain, Bob. Yeah, for real. Headmaster. No iron in your house. No iron is your clothes. They didn't iron your clothes. Yes. Oh yeah, go. Even if you don't have iron, there's a way you will go. Clothes. Enugu, Enugu, Gombe, Gombe, Imo, Owerri, Jigawa, Dutse, Kaduna, Kaduna, Kano, Kano, Katsina, Katsina, Kebbi, Benin, Kebbi, Kogi, Lokoja, Kwara, Ilorin, Lagos, Ikeja, Nasa, Naija, Minna, Ogun, Abeokuta, Ondo, Akure, Ọ̀ṣun, Òṣogbo, Ọ̀yọ́, Plateau, Rivers, Port Harcourt, Sokoto, Sokoto, Jalingo, Yobe, Damaturu, Zamfara. me. But they make me to cry out. Ida, oh, Ida, oh, Ida. Ida, oh, Ida. Ida, oh, Ida, oh, Ida, oh, Ida. Ida, oh, Ida. Haruna Nuruddin. Wahab Taiwo. Lawal Mirat. No, Lawal Mirat. Lawal Mirat. Owóyẹlé Amirat. Akírẹ̀mí Aliyat. Lawal Kọ̀wéá. Akínsọlá Azeem. Rereoluwa. Ọlálòkun Táíwò. Kẹ́hìndé. Aya Princess. Anúolúwapọ̀ Kesia. Theophilus Favour. Ọdẹ́bọ̀ Sarah. And you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show you that you're happy and you know, clap your hands. Happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show you that you're happy and you I wish I joined the house of the Lord forever and ever. Guys, I'm done, so I'm going home. Like today was so stressful. I can't lie, today was so stressful. So say hi to my brother. Say hi. So I'm going home. So see you at home. Bye. Guys, so I'm back from work. I'm back from school and I'm so excited. Like, you don't know how happy I am. Like, how I'm so happy that at last I later make the vlog of this a day in my life. It has been long since when I got the job. I was like, okay, I'm going to vlog it, but I was like, no. But I'm so happy that I finally vlogged it. So guys, thank you for watching this video to the end. If you watch this video to the end, you are an OG. So guys, thank you for watching this video to the end, and make sure you like, share and subscribe. Like, share and subscribe. It's an interactive channel. I will reply to every comment as much as possible. So bye guys.
Making raindrops, tick tock.